So when you take the antibiotics to prep the gut, so you're wiping out like all the colonies, all the bacteria that live in that person's body, in that person's gut.
Yeah, as much as possible. So it's not going to be 100%. But what it does is we talk about the importance of high diversity. Well, in this
Mm,
case, we're looking for really low diversity because what we want is when we put a highly diverse, healthy gut in there, we want it to be able to engraft. We don't want you to think about it. If you could only have 100 things in there and there's 100 things already there, the competition to
the
find one spot goes up.
competition.
But if
Okay.
you only have 10 there and you have 100 spots, okay, so when we put the new ones in, they can become the predominant bacteria and the predominant gut microbiota.
Uh-huh.
And so then they get to engraft and then they can teach what is there and the gut itself. Okay, so like this is what your gut microbiome should look like. This is what
Okay.
we should be processing. This is what we should be extracting. And then that
Mm,
kind of slowly rolls into a better functioning gut because you have the right bacteria there and it's going to teach how what should we be taking out of this food, how should we be
mm.
storing these fats, what should we be making. That's what those bacteria are going to do. And so then you have an engrafted new community and it's able to do that because the competition between what was there and what we're putting in is reduced.
Cool. That's really cool.